What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Pepe, which has pumped up near about 40% in the last 24 hours and has hit a huge green candlestick today after it has taken a little bit of a dip yesterday. So we're going to be going through what is next for Pepe guys. It keeps pumping in value, not just this crypto but a few other cryptocurrencies that I have been covering on my channel have been performing very well. So we're going to be going through where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to take a little dip anytime soon? And mainly covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at is now the right time to buy it, is it too late, or should you sell it right now and take out your profits, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, and looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, looking at where it's heading to next. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as you guys can see, we've got the usual purple line here running across the chart, giving us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple. However, the bad point to that is there is a huge gap between the values here, between the average value and the actual value of Pepe, meaning it may be overvalued and may be in for a little bit of a step back in value over the coming days and weeks. But I will get into that later on in the video. But for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking way too steep guys. The reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping at that pace over the next couple of hours. However, that is clearly not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Pepe to have taken a little bit of a step back down in value. Doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to pump up even higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to hit red candles towards very late today and in the early hours of tomorrow, dropping to a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. So do expect quite of a wave pump up in value and then step back down. But again, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days exact same. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. So just like the previous chart, this is not realistic either. Exact same reason applies here as well. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of next week, I'm expecting Pepe to have gone through an overall increase in value from where it is at the moment. But let me dig into a little bit more detail. So over the weekend, it is likely to hit green candles. By mid next week, I'm expecting it to go for a little bit of a price correction, dropping back down in value at a lower price than where it is at the moment, and then slowly starting to gain value by mid to end of next week, pumping at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, it may sound a little bit confusing, but that is the crypto market for you guys. It is likely to hit green candles for now, red candles by mid next week, and then green candles again. So quite of a wave, but again, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side, exactly like what's happened here over the last few days. It's pumped up in value and then took a little bit of a dip and then pumped up again. So a repeat of what's happened over the last week is what I'm expecting over the next week, but not at that much pace, because as you guys can see, over the last week, it has gained over 230% increase, and I'm not expecting it to head over 230% increase next week. It is going to be much lower than that, but the whole point is it is likely to go for an overall minimal increase in value with price correction in between. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again, we are looking way too steep due to the fact that the crypto has pumped up so much over the last couple of weeks. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late April 2024, I am expecting Pepe to have taken a step back down in value, guys, to have gone for a price correction, so trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting. Yes, it's performing very well. Over the last month, it has gained nearly about 350% increase. However, that proves to me that the crypto is slightly overvalued and needs to go for a price correction. So approximately over the next 2 months, I'm expecting Pepe to have dropped back down in value. Near about its SMA indicator here in purple is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid to late April. However, if there are any major updates to this, for example, if I'm expecting a major pump or a major crash or anything that can have an impact on its value, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level and we did not resist a single bit at the resistance level. So that is another reason why I'm predicting the crypto to be overvalued and for it to go for a price correction over the coming weeks, potentially dropping back down into the green zone here is what my expectations are. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, there's no doubt that the crypto has gained a lot of attention, a lot of hype in the crypto market, with its current volume being $1.4 billion, guys, and has gone up over 20% in the last 24 hours. Comparing it to a month ago, the trading volume was literally just about $30 million, guys, and has gone up to 1.4 billion. So you do the maths, that is a crazy increase, but it makes sense. The crypto has been trending and has been in the top gainers list for quite a while and it's still there, so it has been performing very well. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Pepe to go in 2024? I've seen a lot of people saying it's going to hit 0.00001 cents very soon. However, I'm not expecting it to hit that anytime soon, not this year anyway. Reason is, as I mentioned, I am expecting it to go for a price correction, but potentially over the next 12 to 18 months is when I'm expecting it to hit that target. But again, I'll keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto to keep you guys in the loop on, my predictions and if anything does change as well. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.